So for this problem, to find the number of terms in the arithmetic sequence, so from this given, so take note that the first term is a sub 1, the second term is a sub 2, the third term is a sub 3, then the last term is a sub n. So since this problem is an arithmetic sequence, so using the arithmetic sequence formula, then we need to list now all the given. So from this formula, so we have a sub n, and a sub n is the last term, so that's negative 33. Then a sub 1, so a sub 1 is the first term, so this is positive 31. Then n for the number of terms. So since we're looking for the number of terms, therefore n is the unknown. Then for this d, the common difference. So we can find the common difference. So using a sub 2 minus a sub 1. So from the given, a sub 2 is 27 minus a sub 1, that's 31. So therefore the common difference, so 27 minus 31, so this is negative 4. So since we have now all the values, so we can find now this number of terms. So just substitute all the values to this formula. So we have a sub n, that's negative 33, then equals a sub 1, that's 31, then plus, and this one is the unknown, minus 1, then times the common difference, so this is negative 4. Then to simplify, so we need to transpose this positive 31 to the other side, so this becomes negative 31, then equals, so distribute this negative 4, so negative 4 times n, negative 4n, then negative 4 times negative 1, so negative times negative, so this becomes positive 4. Then to simplify, so this negative 33 and negative 31, so the same negative, so you need to add, and this is negative 64, then equals negative 4n, then plus 4. Then we need to transpose this positive 4 to the other side, so this becomes negative 64, and positive 4 becomes negative 4, then equals negative 4n. Then for this negative 64 and negative 4, so the same negative, so we need to add, and this becomes negative 68, then equals negative 4n. Then to solve for n, we need to divide both sides by this negative 4, so cancel negative 4. So therefore n equals, so negative divided by negative, that's positive, and this 68 divided by 4, so this is equal to 17. So therefore the given sequence has 17 terms.